If you wonder why
Here we have 3 examples of ionic bonds. The first one is sodium chloride. In this ionic bond, sodium has 1 electron more than a stable noble gas structure. If it gave away that electron, it would become more stable. Chlorine has 1 electron short of a stable noble gas structure. If it could gain an electron from somewhere, it too would become more stable. So, if a sodium atom gives an electron to a chlorine atom, both will become more stable. So once those 2 atoms bond, the sodium will have lost an electron, so it no longer has equal numbers of electrons and protons. Because it has 1 more proton than electron, it has a charge of 1 plus. This forms a positive ion, because when electrons are lost, positive ions are formed, which are often called cations. On the other hand, the chlorine has gained an electron, so it now has 1 more electron than proton, therefore having a charge of 1 minus. If electrons are gained by an atom, then negative ions are formed, which are often called anions. The sodium ions and chloride ions are held together by the strong electrostatic attractions between the positive and negative charges. You need 1 sodium atom to provide the extra electron for 1 chlorine atom, so they combine together with the 1-to-1 ratio. The formula is therefore NaCl. The second example we have is magnesium oxide. Again, noble gas structures are formed, and the magnesium oxide is held together by very strong attractions between the ions. The ionic bonding is stronger than in sodium chloride because this time you have 2 plus ions attracting 2 minus ions. The greater the charge, the greater the attraction. The last example is calcium chloride. This time you need 2 chlorines to use up the 2 outer electrons in the calcium. The formula of calcium chloride is therefore CaCl2.